the 3x emergency rule, which we neglect generally. Always keep an emergency fund of at least 3 times your current monthly income. This fund value should be 6 to 12x for the individuals having non-permanent job. So the same is required to keep you financially stable in emergencies like loss of job, travel, medical, etc. So here one caution friends, take rules of thumb with a grain of salt. While rules of thumb are useful to people as general guidelines, they may be too oversimplified in many situations, leading to underestimating or overestimating an individual's needs. Rule of thumb doesn't account for specific circumstances or factors occurring at a particular time or that could change over time, which should be considered for making sound financial decisions. For example, here we are saying 3x emergency rule, but in a tight job market, an emergency fund amounting to 3 months of household expenses does not consider the possibility of extended unemployment. So maybe 6 to 12x is needed in certain cases. But why this thumb rule 3x emergency friends? Why? So liquidity, as I told you, it prevents you from needing to liquidate retirement corpus. Retirement corpus is the primary investment asset of most people, and for many it's their only source of significant savings. For that reason, they may be tempted to tap those funds in an emergency. A well-stocked emergency fund will prevent that, friends. That's the first advantage if we use the 3x emergency rule. Minimize credit lines. Many investment advisors are telling investors to be fully invested. So the rationale is that since returns in equity are so much higher than fixed income investments, keeping money in savings is a guaranteed money loser. So that was the reason. So what happens, many people in that situation rely on credit lines to act as an emergency fund. This simply transfers the cash needed from the present into the future. So you will either need to repay the money in 1 or 2 large lump sums, or you will be adding a new and semi-permanent monthly payments to your budget. So substantial emergency fund reduces this, and for sudden expenses it covers the loss of your income also. Now avoid the need to liquidate investments. If you sell stocks or mutual funds to raise cash in an emergency, one of the 2 outcomes will be likely. What happens? You will sell those investments at a loss, locking in the loss at the same time, or you will sell the investments at a profit gain, creating a capital gain tax liability. So here in this case, once again, a well-funded emergency fund will eliminate the need to sell investments in an emergency. So this has to be conveyed to the client by using 3x emergency rule in the thumb rules pro tool, friends. As we strictly implemented this 3x thumb rule during this last year, we didn't see any redemptions from the equity funds, and we didn't even see the stoppage of SIPs. In fact, in some cases, we were having liquid funds which we have switched to equity during this 1 year. So this is the calculator of 3x emergency rule in this 10 personal finance thumb rules pro tool. It's a simple calculator, friends, but some things you need to show to the client. Just orally telling will not work out, and some things seems very small but are very important to our financial planning journey.
Right now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.